So this is my garage and it's a total mess. Let's get to cleaning it. Yeah, I got a lot of sawdust here that I haven't cleaned up. I got this stump from, well, a park was cutting down some trees. So I took this stump thinking maybe one day I'd use it. Any ideas? So as I clean the wood shop, I just want to point out a few things that I have made as I built out my wood shop. So this rack here is from the Weekend Woodworker. Steve Ramsey, YouTuber, designed that, and then I built it after buying his shop improvement workshop. I forget exactly what it's called. I also built the lumber storage rack and found that I didn't like how it looked, and so I took it down and painted the wall. Then I put it back up. And then I have built the mobile workbench, I think is what he called it. And right now I've got it on a temporary set of wheels. One of the things that I like about the lumber rack, although it's a pain to get to right now, is this little ledge right here. I'm able to put my vise or my clamps on for storage. But as you can see, there's a lot of stuff in the way. Boy, I have a lot of work to do. I found this on the ground. I was like, why is this big chunk of wood on the ground and it's all mossy and painted white? And then I looked up and it looks like part of the fascia board has rotted out and fallen. I knew this garage roof was needing repairs, but maybe we're gonna have to do that this summer. Kitchen break. Before my dad passed away, he gave me a lot of his things from his garage. I mean, isn't that usually how most guys start, with things from their dad? I've got this, let's see, can I? Nope, I don't want to zoom. There we go. These basically never used tools, Craftsman. I actually got a lot of tools from my dad that he probably never used. And sorting through what I should keep and what I should sell is always a tough thing, but we'll see. We'll decide. So another thing that I did when I first got the shop was rain was leaking through the wall. This was a pretty shoddy build for a garage, I think. Maybe it's just old. But rain was leaking through the wall at the base and mold was going up the drywall. And so I resided the garage. I tore out all the drywall and then I've put in plywood and I painted it. Now the other thing that I did was on this wall, I took all of my old fence boards and I cut them down and put them on the wall. And so I've got the white wall and then I've got the fenced wall. And I kind of like the look of the fenced wall, but the white wall does bring more light into the room. My goal is to eventually tear out all of those cabinets and also fix that wall. Throw in the comments down below whether you think I should continue with the cedar fence boards or if I should just do plywood and paint it white like I've done this wall. You ever buy wood for a project and then don't get around to the project because your wood shop's a mess? I have. I need to figure out a better dust collection system. We're also not going to have any lungs to do woodworking with. Ugh. Maybe that'll be the first project I do when I clean, after I clean. Well, it's a little better. I cleared off my work table. That's a good thing. And let's turn it around. There we go. I swept the floor, but I still have some things that I need to take care of. I've got these two large logs that I'm thinking about turning into a bench. Always ideas, never action. That seems to be the way. I have more wood to burn, and then I have got to clean up that mess, of course. So it's a work in progress. I think this will probably be just the first video. We'll see when I get into editing how long it winds up being, but I want to thank you if you stuck around and watched the whole video. I appreciate it. And this is Moose signing out. Have a good day.